Today we're making strawberry infused vodka. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today is really fun because we're going to use the strawberries that we put in the dehydrator. Now if you want to learn how to dehydrate your own strawberries, go ahead and click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to dehydrate strawberries, or you can just go out and buy dehydrated strawberries. Now what I'm going to do is I have about 2 cups of vodka. Now with my very clean hands, I'm going to put my dehydrated strawberries, and I'm going to use about a fourth of a cup to a half of a cup of strawberries. Give that a nice shake. Then you know what we're going to do? We're going to let this sit. Every once in a while I will come through and give it a shake. We'll come back to it. We're going to have this really good strawberry vodka. Our strawberry infused vodka has been sitting for quite a while now. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. You can definitely smell the strawberries. Wow, it really reminds me of strawberry Twizzlers. This is really good. It has that wonderful strawberries taste. It has the hit of vodka. So this is one of those things that you can use whenever you want to. Now the cool part about this is we will be using this sometime soon. Well, probably for you it'll be very, very soon, to create a wonderful drink. I think you're really going to like it. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. If you have ideas that you'd like to see me try, let me know down in the comments, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.